Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. We have some exciting news for you today that will change the way you think about finance management. That's right, folks. We have just received some breaking news from our trusted source, Google News, about the latest finance management strategies that are taking the world by storm. Our friends over at Google News have uncovered some valuable information from an article by US News and World Report, and we're here to give you all the juicy details. According to the article, these new strategies come from a website called finance.management.com, and they are said to revolutionize the way we handle our finances. I mean, who doesn't want to save more, spend wisely, and become financially independent, am I right? So, what are these strategies, you may ask? Well, let me break it down for you. Firstly, the website emphasizes the importance of setting realistic financial goals. We all have dreams and aspirations, but without a clear plan and goal in mind, it's easy to fall off track. Secondly, the website suggests creating a budget and sticking to it. This may sound daunting, but it's essential to track your expenses and see where your money is going. And finally, the website encourages saving and investing wisely. Yes, it may be tempting to buy that new phone or go on a shopping spree, but in the long run, having a solid savings and investment plan will pay off. These strategies may seem simple, but we often overlook them, and that's where we go wrong. With the help of finance.management.com, we can finally take control of our finances and achieve our financial goals. So, what are you waiting for? Head over to finance.management.com and start taking charge of your finances today. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more breaking news and updates. This is John Anderson from Finance News Daily, signing off. See you next time.